What's going on, everybody? Today I am doing some jumbo shrimp. Check it out, check it out. I got some baby shrimp for the kiddos. Got us some catfish nuggets, some fries. I got some little seasoning I'm gonna add with my seasoning. Here it is. Okay, get a little mustard just on, put on a little bowl and make sure my season stick on them bad boys nice and toasty. But check it out, look at them jumbo shrimp. Gotta peel them bad boys, make them boys looking nice. Check it out, check it out. Alright, finishing hookup coming soon, everybody. Please check it out, check it out. Still didn't have no homemade hush puppies, so I couldn't make them bad boy. But hey, it's all good. Check it out, check it out. I put a little black pepper and a little onion powder in it just to let it thaw out a little bit, have a little flavor in them already. You know what I'm talking about? But check it out, y'all. Check it out. Oh yeah, that's some big boys. Ain't no little boys. Oh yeah. Check it out. Check it out. All right, everybody. Be safe and peace out.